Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing the unboxing of February's BoxyCharm. And I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Now when you open up the box, first thing you will find is a small postcard from Cover FX. And when you turn the postcard around, you will find a 20% off coupon code you can use on your next purchase on coverfx.com. And the code is all caps FXCHARM. I will list it in the description bar below. And the code is valid until March 15th, and it's only for US residents. One offer per customer, cannot be combined with any other promotions. See coverfx.com for any more details. Next thing I'll be pulling out of the box is this big postcard right here, and as you can see, this month's theme is Galaxy Glow. And if you turn the postcard around, what you'll find is a list of each product that will come inside of this month's BoxyCharm, what each product is for, and what is the retail price of each product at their own website. First thing I'll be pulling out of the box is this trio brush set from Crown Pro Cosmetics, and it does retail for $29.99. You can use this 3-piece pro brush trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeters of the face. And finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything into place. Next, pulling out of the box is this Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer from Seraphine Botanicals, and it does retail for $24. And you can use this to exfoliate and buff your lips before applying any lipstick or any liquid lipstick or paint. And this product is made with avocado, apricot, jojoba oils, and as well as shea cocoa butter to help rejuvenate and hydrate dry lips. Next product I'll be pulling out of the box is this Smoky Eye Pencil from Vintage Cosmetics, and it does retail for $21. And this is a richly pigmented smoky eye pencil that delivers intense jet black definition. And I am going to do a swatch on my hands for you guys so you can see how soft the formula is and how soft it glides onto the skin without tugging or pulling. And it does smudge very easily. Next product I'll be pulling out of the box is this Shimmer Veil from Cover FX, and it does retail for $28. And this is a multi-use shimmering cream color, and it is formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect. I am going to open it up for you guys, that way you can see what kinds of applicator it comes with and how pigmented and smooth it glides onto the skin. Now the applicator that comes with this product is a small wand, and I am going to swatch it onto my hand. Look how pigmented this beauty is. I cannot wait to try this on. It will be that perfect highlight pop onto your lids. Finally, the last product I'll be pulling out of the box is this holographic highlighter palette from Naked Cosmetics, and it does retail for $39.99. Now before I open it up, guys, just look at the packaging, how beautiful this packaging is. Just take it all in, you guys. Now of course I'm going to open it up so you can see how beautiful the colors are. And this is a 6 stunning holographic shade palette, and it is perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanting. And I am going to swatch a few colors onto my hand so you can see how pigmented and how smooth it does glide onto the skin. And you guys, I am so in love with this palette. It is everything. You guys do need to purchase this. As you saw how smooth it glided onto my skin and how pigmented these colors are, the colors are very beautiful. They are everything. And that will complete this month's unboxing. I really hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you can stay up to date on any videos I do post up in the future. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at love.your.glamour. Again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.